बाहर क्यों लेके आई है?
डायरेक्ट किचन में लेके जा रही है।
डायरेक्ट किचन में लेके जाएगी आई गेस अपनी ट्रॉली। Toothbrush. We were in need of toothbrush.
Not we. You were in need.
I was in need, so I got a pack of 2 for around $1. कितने का था?
टूथब्रश इज फॉर $2.
$2.
100 रुपए का एक टूथब्रश।
So we are confused. Where do we go? Woolworths or Aldi? कहाँ पे जाएं? We go to Woolworths today. Yeah. Chalo, let's go inside. Pretty. Huh? I will need a trolley.
For phone I guess.
Oh, this is interesting. This is for phone. You can just keep your phone here, place it like this, so that you can read out your list. Chalo, let's go. हो गया sanitize करके trolley. Let's go. For Halloween, the real pumpkin. They look artificial, right?
Yeah.
They are new.
Looks like Goan pav na?
Yeah. I guess we'll buy.
ये देखो।
Since the time I landed in Australia, I have put on a lot of weight. Don't tempt me out. Let me go and buy it.
They look very tempting. Can I take one? I see. ये देखो, ये देखो, इसको देखो। अभी ना बोल रही थी,
Because of you, I'm buying.
अभी ना बोल रही थी. Now she is going and buying it.
I
See?
don't want it. You are saying buy something.
Okay, buy. But you don't eat it. I will eat.
I will taste.
See,
So these are
Bonda.
cinnamon donuts, 12 pack for
They are
16.
saying $3.
Best but for 16. We got a deal. See, यहाँ पे लेबल लिखा है it's quick sale. This is for only $1.50, whereas all this was for $3. And I have got this, which was the last piece left for $1.
15th is tomorrow, by the way.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Tomorrow 15.
yeah.
क्या करना है? इतना
कल तक
खत्म
खाना
नहीं
है।
होगा। But $1 का है। These are waffles. There's nothing written.
Just see the date.
I want 2 of these. I don't know what is better. This is apple jazz. Forms of cheese also. I mean different types. Cheese sticks. And you have the cubes, slice, and the shredded.
So whatever you want, you get it. Something is coming up now.
What is coming up?
जिसका मुझे डर है, वही आ रहा है. And to my surprise, look here. To my surprise, look here. Half price.
It's getting fat.
You don't eat. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Aarti is not going to eat this. This is not for Aarti.
Please tell me, you know what reason I'm becoming fat is you. Because of you, you're making me eat all this.
You don't eat, na?
Homemade ghee बनाने के लिए you need to buy unsalted butter.
Buying some eggs.
salt, peanut butter.
Let me check the list.
Canadian maple syrup. We are done with our shopping and Akash is going to do the billing. So we have arranged our bags here और ये आइटम यहाँ पे स्कैन होके इसमें जाएगा.
This also I'll put first.
Yeah, put all the heavy things first.
I think I'll put a separate bag now.
No, it's okay with veggies. That's fine. God, you don't keep it with milk. बाहर क्यों लेके आई है आप?
डायरेक्ट किचन में लेके जा रही है.
डायरेक्ट किचन में लेके जाएगी आई गेस अपनी ट्रॉली. सीरियसली ये फुल ऊपर से ट्रॉली नीचे तक लेके आई है यार. घर जा रही है.
Are they giving away free trolleys?
फ्री ट्रॉलीज.
If you buy.
सीरियसली टेकिंग इट होम. लोग भी ना क्या क्या करते हैं यार. So first item is pear. And this is 500 grams. We got 2 of these and it's for $2 total.
Yes.
Next item is apples. You can see here it is 1.7 grams and it is for $3. Next we have on our list is carrots. These are 560 grams for $1.25. There are many options in the store like onions. You get brown onion, white onion, red onion. So we got Indian red onions, 900 grams for $3.17. Yeah. So this is a big size capsicum.
$2.35. Quite expensive.
Yeah. Next is
Banana. Banana is almost 980 grams. Almost 1 kg.
1 kg.
It is $2.75.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are
Yeah.
5 bananas. Cucumber.
Cucumber, Lebanese, almost 727 grams.
4 pieces.
$2.11.
Yeah. Next
Then
item.
kiwi fruit.
Where is kiwi? We love eating kiwis, so we
Yes.
always tend to buy kiwis. So these are for.
442 grams. $3.49.
So we got 4
Beans
beans.
are almost. They are 382 grams for $1.72.
So we got only one sweet potato. You get different sizes of them. Like itne bade bhi milte hain. It is not very sweet also, but because we need to eat everything, so we got a small one, which is for
$1.31.
mandarin. Matlab
These are
oranges.
mandarins. These are called as mandarins here.
Yeah.
So 917 grams. This comes for $3.58.
Plus we got 6 of them.
We got something new today. We thought we'll try it out. This is called as roast chicken, which is already
It is
prepared.
already cooked chicken inside. It's already roasted. It's nice and hot.
Ready to
Smells good. I'm hungry.
Yeah. For $10, if you go for Uber Eats, अगर आप जाते हो, then you will find half chicken for almost $15 to $20.
Yes, we got full chicken
Full
for
chicken.
$10.
So we thought we'll try it. Let's see how it tastes. 3
So we
liters,
got 3 liters milk.
$3.59.
We were very tempted to eat waffles, so we got this maple syrup.
$6.
It is for $6.
Peanut butter, $4.
$4.
Greek yogurt,
महंगा है यार peanut
Yeah.
butter. Jalna is a popular brand for Greek yogurt, so we got this one for.
$7.5.
Yogurt is usually thick, consistency is very thick, and it is also healthy. Toothbrush. We were in need of toothbrush.
Not
so
we. You were in need.
I was in need, so I got a pack of 2 for around $1. कितने का था?
Toothbrush is for $2.
$2.
₹100 का एक toothbrush.
बटर मैं हमेशा घी घर में बनाती हूँ, सो हमारा घी खत्म हो चुका था, सो आई गॉट दिस अनसॉल्टेड बटर फॉर 500 grams for $6. महंगा है.
Asparagus,
Asparagus. Yeah, these are also very healthy to eat.
$2.
This for $2, one bundle.
Figs.
Figs. And we got this for
$4.4.
this
375
grams. These are white cup mushrooms.
$5.
These are for $5. महंगा है यार. So here we have chicken breast.
500 grams $9. इससे तो अच्छा ये है ना
Yeah. Tim
जो आरती को चाहिए था. Aarti is not going to eat
मुझे
that
नहीं
because
चाहिए था. Akash,
Okay.
you got it. Which is this one, by the way? Original flavor.
Original,
You were
of
supposed
course.
to get a caramel one.
I didn't find it.
Okay.
1.82.
इसकी वजह से हम मोटे हो रहे हैं.
हम नहीं तुम. Almond meal. What is this?
Okay, yeah. I got this क्योंकि दूध मैं नहीं पी रही हूँ. I need to drink milk. So I can't drink plain milk, so I need to put something in the milk. इसलिए मैंने ये almond
$4.
पाउडर लाया है. हाँ, almond is expensive यार. हाँ, हम बहुत सारा चीज भी खाते हैं.
Yes,
So
you like to eat
this is shredded cheese.
8.5
$5.
chocolate waffles.
waffles.
Right.
हम कल खाने वाले हैं waffles for breakfast, right? So yeah, these are nice fresh waffles. हमें frozen नहीं लेना था. We got this fresh one, so we picked it up.
360 grams, $5.5.
Turkish rolls. These are like bread. Fresh bakery से उठाया है. So this is for
$3.
This is for $3. Next,
Cinnamon donut.
your cinnamon donut, which we were not supposed to buy, but आकाश ने हमें नहीं
12.
खुद को tempt किया.
खुद को नहीं. You are not going to eat.
And he picked it up. I'm not going to eat.
$3.
$3. We were missing.
These are like Goan pav.
हमारे
I don't
Goan
know.
pav जैसे लग रहे हैं.
हाँ,
So
$3.5.
we thought we'll pick it up for
$3.5.
$3.5. मतलब कितना होता है if you convert it? 200 rupees. And हमारे गोवा में पाव होता है, एक पाव 4 रुपए के लिए होता है. What a difference. This ये मैंने नहीं उठाया. आकाश ने उठाया.
$2.45.
ये क्यों चाहिए यार?
Okay, you're not going to eat, right?
I'm not eating. The
Okay,
previous
fine.
one also you only ate.
Okay, fine.
These are eggs that we got. यहाँ पे ऐसे brown eggs मिलते हैं. So these are for
$5.9.
$5.9. I couldn't find spinach in Woolworths, so we went to this Asian shop.
It's nice and fresh.
Looks nice and fresh. So ये है हमारा English spinach, which is for $1.89.
Yes.
It's
In
nice.
total, we spent, I tell you, $126, including spinach. It is 128. Total savings for $4.87.
Follow the PIN paths to finalize your payment.
This, then waffles, of course. Then this, even this, but we just want to try it. What else? Oh, these also donuts.
Donuts, yeah. So there's
तो
other things.
ये
for
फालतू का
you.
खर्चा है.
It's okay. Sometimes we are also
Yeah,
new here.
tempted.
We want to try things out.
Yeah, we are not eating out, so we are trying to get it over here. क्योंकि अगर बाहर आप खाओगे, तो waffle if you want to try in some restaurant, it will definitely cost you much higher, right?
Yeah, it's going to
At
be
least
around
$15-20.
Yeah, more
The
than
same
$10.
thing with this chicken. If you want full chicken, it will cost you around $20-25.
Full chicken, huh?
Yes,
Full
full chicken.
In quantity इतना सा मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So this was our weekly grocery haul, and I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what part did you love the most, or if you have any questions. So till then, bye and see you in the next one. चलो अभी take this ना. ये क्या कर रहे हो?
ऐसे ही.
चलो अभी काम पे लगो आकाश. ये सब रखना है अंदर.
तो तुम्हारा काम है.
Help me.
Okay.